desires ninyo, Scorpio, maaring maisakatuparan mo na yan or gagawin mo na or sisimulan mo nang gawin, no? In December, no? At kung ano man yun, mangyayari at mangyayari yun. And this is also about new hope, new blessings na parating, new path na magbubukas para sa inyo. And you know what? Ano yan, kung ano man yung bagong path na lalakaran mo dito, it feels like it's going to be in alignment with your destiny. No? Kaya magiging masaya ka. Kung saan ka man papunta, ano man ang mga gagawin mo, magiging masaya ka. No? And you are being, guided towards that path. Now with the star, iniilawan ng star dito yung daan patungo doon sa new path na binubuksan ng divine universe para sa'yo, wherein you're going to be contented, you're going to be happy, you're going to be feeling fulfilled. Beautiful.